Now the yellow-leaved Amazon carrot, like my friend over here, is very famous for their ability to lick, which is a copy sound and words that you and I say. Alright, let him introduce himself. First of all, we're going to say hello. Oh, nice. Hello. Okay, now tell everybody here, what's your name? Amigo is his name. Let's try this one more time. What's your name? Amigo. Now, amigo, what would you like to say to all these nice people?
How are you?
Oh,
How?
the sweetest ever. Now, amigo here, well, he is so smart that he can count from 1 to 10 in English.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Brilliant! Now, amigo can also count in another language. Okay, amigo, let's count in Chinese. Let's count in Chinese. Eat. That's me, by the way. He's a little bit distracted, and that's the beauty about working with live animals. Okay, amigo, let's count in Chinese. Now, amigo loves to sing, and he can sing 3 different songs in 3 different languages. First song, local children's song, titled Caroline. It means a guest comes to visit. Amigo, let's sing a song in Mandarin.
What?
Wrong song. It's not even a song. Now you know it's not a recording, okay? It's real. Amigo, let's sing a song in Mandarin. Oh, perfectly done by amigo. Okay, well, the next song originates from Indonesia, titled Rasa Sayang.
This one.
Feelings of love. Amigo, let's sing Rasa Sayang. English, it's a birthday song. By any chance, anybody here celebrating your birthday today? Put your hand up. Whose birthday? Ooh, we have a birthday lady there. The people is there. Our glasses there. Yes. Happy birthday to you. Okay, there's one lady there. We have another one right there. The gentleman in white. So, oh, hello. Don't be shy. Yes, his birthday. Okay, another kid there in turquoise. Yes, 1, 2, 3. Alright, so anybody else here? Birthday, birthday, the children pointing, the young man in stride. Happy birthday, young man. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, anyone here? No one? Okay, just 4 of you, okay? So 4 of you, amigo will sing you a full birthday song.